Hello, actually today we are here to do the car of a friend of mine. This is the Honda Fit. He just bought a Honda Fit, so actually my friend here is an expert at doing car wraps. So he'll be starting a workshop soon, so I'll let you guys know the contact. But for now, today we're actually doing some small wraps. He's going to wrap the roof for this Honda Fit, and of course the fuel caps of my car, and this other friend of mine, Dustin, that is wrapping the fuel cap of his Vezel. So let's see how it goes. So actually we're at Tampines. This car park is super awesome because as you can see, this they actually have a spray jet installed at their car washing bay. How cool is that? I mean, how nice is it of the town council here or the RC here to do all this? And the residents are even nice enough to put the car shampoo there for residents to use. Yeah, and this is Tampines. How cool. So we're now washing the Honda Fit. Hello. So to support my buddy here, actually, I let him wrap my car fuel cap. So actually, look at the expert doing his work. What an expert. And it's up and it's up. Now my fuel cap is carbon fiber. It's like 200 grams lighter. You can feel it already. I can feel like increase of like 20 brake horsepower. Nah, just kidding. And the fuel cap is done. Well, it's pretty well done, I would say. My friend here is definitely an expert at doing these wraps. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, this is not easy. It requires 4 persons to pull this thing. And everyone is so tired now. Morale is low, but we will get this done. Okay, after like 3 hours, we're finally done. So this is the roof wrap. Looks more sporty right now. It is way much more sporty than it is.